Hi, this is your most reliable friend, Motrix. Today, we grandly introduce our latest high-quality brake rotor, SUS410. First of all, let's take a look into the difference between the two common types of stainless steel in rotors. As you can see, the carbon content of SUS420 exceeds 0.2%, so the hardness of 420 is greater than the 410. But as far as the rotor is concerned, the harder doesn't actually mean the better. High stiffness rotor and brake pad may lead to the brake shudder when hitting the brakes in high speed. Moreover, the interaction of phosphorus and copper can improve the SUS410's strength and corrosion resistance. That is to say, SUS410 is the dedicated material for brake disc, while 420 is more appropriate for knives. When it comes to our rotor manufacturing, we cannot overemphasize the heat treatment process. The heat treatment is a method of using heating and cooling to change the physical properties of metals. Tenacity, hardness, and wear resistance are several properties obtained through heat treatment. We apply high-standard, high-frequency heat treatment to SUS410, which not only strengthens the hardness and wear resistance of the rotor's outer ring, but it also remains the tenacity of 410 in the inner ring. In addition, all our rotors go through heat treatment one by one to avoid differential surface heating, so our new SUS410 disc won't distort or strain under long term of use. All in all, SUS410 is a reliable rotor with both high temperature resistant and high wear resistance. This is the brake rotor that provides you the best traction in all kinds of weather and road condition. Get your beast upgraded today. In need of brake disc, pads, fluid, or other brake components and motorcycle parts, Motrix has you covered. Check out our website at www.elysiummotor.com for more info. Find Motrix, get promise. See ya!